Hi, it's David here with Futures Trading. I want to welcome my newest followers. I want to welcome my newest followers before doing this. Uh, Thank you so much, user 7472. Thank you so much, KJU. Thank you. You guys are very much supportive and consistent. Thank you so much, Lynch Darian. Thank you so much for the follow as well as the like user 9570 77. Thank you so much for the follow as well as the like. Thank you so much. Let's see, Anton, thank you so much. I appreciate you doing so. And again, thank you so much for all your contributions. Let me make sure I'm not skipping anyone here. All right, so now thank you so much, Rod Z. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you so much, Tommy Espinoza, for the like. KJU, again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for Service Signals for coming on board. Thank you so much, Zap Trades. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you so much, Mac, for coming on board. I appreciate you guys for all that you do. And try. Oh, okay, Arnold, Arnold. Uh, Thank you for coming on board. I hope I'm not messing up your name. Thank you so much, Arnold. I thank you so much for coming on board. Thank you so much. I appreciate you coming on board. Now, I got 74 followers. Do the best that you can, you guys, to help support them. Even the new ones that come on board and like, support them in their efforts. You know, they just got here and they're starting to like. And if you've been here for a while and you haven't been liking the videos as much, try to help them. Okay, be an example. Let them know that you appreciate the information and that you're willing to share the responsibility of sharing the information. All right, now I got 51 subscribers here. I only see maybe one or two likes here and there. You guys, please go ahead and step up and share the information and show a level of appreciation for what's here. You shouldn't just want to profit immediately and not be willing to share the information, and definitely appreciate the person that's trying to make it possible for you to do so. All right, so just wanted to go ahead and get that out the way. Thank you once again for coming on board. This video will be added to the community me and you section, and we'll take a look at that. But on day 4 yesterday, I gave you a ceiling as well as a floor. And again, this is beyond the scope of what it is that I offer on YouTube, as well as, of course, yesterday information and this video today. I'm going to show you a little bit more. But I'm not a targeting service. That is not something that I do. But I want to give you some information because I'm going to turn this into a library. That's the goal. I'm going to turn this into a library where I'm only going to upload maybe once or twice every 2 weeks. All right. So the goal is to have you just come back and reference this information moving forward. That's all. I don't want to have to maintenance this channel a great deal. And so I just want to give you some timeless information. All right. So I gave you well, it turned out to be that floor yesterday. They didn't want to close beneath that price, ran up, got that first target, and there's a second one there should you want to go grab it. All right. So if you want to go grab it, all right, now this is the must watch section here. It's timeless content, the core of the videos that's on the channel. These are the three primarily that I promote. And so this is three turning points in the market in 18 minutes. I tried to give it to you months ago. And so the chart scale is a universal concept that I'm the pioneer professional of this method. All right, really want you to know that. Here's the trend, and the trend is based on price. Right, really something that I need you to know. It's not based on trend lines because where do you put it? And price would have to travel too far for you to start referencing it as a trend. And then, of course, it can't be a moving average because which one do you use and what weight should you choose? That's not the way to do it. And so it can't be chalk either because guess what? If you get an A or V symmetrical move in the market, then where's your structure breaks? So that's not it. So price to me is the trend. And if something is going to become trending, we need the trend to be, depicted by price and price alone. If you ever took a winner trade, if you ever took a winner trade, I can assure you this was in it. All right. And that's something I want you to know. I tried to put that information together for you right here in this section right here. Some in real time, some isn't. All right. Now here, this stuff is in real time. It's exclusively about that trend as well as that price action method. Here's the trading guide. I put a couple other things in here for you should you want to take a look. Here's the live trade section. I've done all kinds of accounts here, business account, BAs, all that stuff. I stayed in trade for 1,000 ticks. Should you want to take a look at that information there, past the prop in 23 minutes. And then, of course, here's the trading psychology. I encourage you to blow your account out, and you need to, and it's necessary that you should. And you can do it several times. It still makes sense to me. And then, of course, stay in your trade, how your mind need to be in order to know that you should be there. All right, and how to hold it. All right, now here's some other information that you can take a look at. I see you guys really like this one, so you might want to take a look at that if you're new to trading. You can go and take a look at that. Now, this is the reason for this video here. All right, this is the reason for this video. Knowing days or hours in advance where price should close would change how you trade. Now, I'm a professional trader. All right, now again, I'm a professional, and it's based on this. It's not about me plastering my face all over YouTube. It ain't about me being some kind of billionaire. It ain't it's not about entertaining you with intros and all of that stuff. That's not a professional trader. All right. Professionals have a particular knowledge, skills necessary to perform their specific roles. It's just like a doctor, it's just like a lawyer, it's just like a scientist. They have particular knowledge. That's what makes for a professional. All right. Just want you to know that. So it's not about all the stuff that you may be seeing on the social platforms. It's not about that. It's having a particular knowledge. And so knowing days or hours in advance where price should close would change how you trade, and I've been doing it for many, many years. All right, so want to give you a foundation and a library to reference. So now let's take a look at some of that information. So here's the chart this morning, 841. The real price of interest is up at 26,234. That's that green line right here for the weekend. So this is for the weekend. This is not just for hours. This is for the weekend. But if it doesn't climb, it will drop into 25,500. That was this morning at 841. 841, it is 241. All right, now I'm gonna take this out of screen as well as this information here, but we're gonna set this stuff side by side for right now. There it is, side by side. Price was here. Okay, price was here. There it is. All right, and then there's that price level up there. They made it up there. All right, remember it's 241. Now, here's something that you can take with you moving forward. For the weekend, this is for the weekend. And moving forward, I'm going to tell you this because I didn't tell them this. 25.5 is down here, but I want to give you something else. If they're going to fall, they're coming to 24,286. If they're going to go up, we got three targets up here. The last one is up at 29,149. So this will be part one. And I plan on adding this to this section here. All right, so this is going to be down here in the community, me and you section. Again, this is beyond the scope of YouTube. This is about me and what I do. All right, so this is about me and what I do. All right, so I'm not one of these little teenagers or early guys in their early 20s trying to entertain you. I'm a professional trader, and I've been doing it for years. And so I can tell you stuff about the chart that again should show up over and over and over again, and should be universal. That's the main thing. It's universal. All right, it can be applied to any market, any time frame. I do not trade Bitcoin. I don't. All right, but I want you to know that's what a professional should be able to do: show you particular knowledge, skills necessary to perform their specific role. So if you want to benefit from that information, you want to see them stay above this 26 to 3408 moving forward to get those targets to the upside. So if you're someone that's trading this Bitcoin, you're more than welcome to grab those targets, and I'll be back to give you an update as to whether or not they made it. All right. So I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.